Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and if I'm looking at this side, I'm I'm looking at my laptop because at this point I'm frustrated. I don't know, and I hope you can hear me as well because there's a lot of noise, background noise going on. So why am I using my camera? Like, life has been so easy. I've been filming with my phone. Like, I didn't have to bother about settings. I don't just know. I struggle with lighting. I need to go and watch YouTube videos. I have this good camera and it's going to waste because I just ate setting up. What I'm saying is, I have my phone that I've been filming with. Why am I changing? Why is my face? Why does it look like my face is not even focused? Am I focused? Yeah, because I actually want my skin to be focused. so So I've been using my phone. No, I just know everything. Let me tell you something that I've realized. Everything about iPhone is a scam. Take it or leave it. It is a scam. Tell me why I've been using my camera like the cinematic mode. Like I've been enjoying it. Like I'm like, this camera is the best. I don't have to bother about filming with my own camera, stuff like that. When it came to transferring to my HP laptop, it's because I'm not using Apple. Came to transfer to my HP laptop, I could not even find the folders. Like number one, you have that issue when you're connecting your Apple product like iOS software to Windows or whatever. You struggle with finding folders like where they had the way to even organize it. I have to start checking one by one, and then I'll realize that these things are not there. And then even when I will unplug and restart and do everything, and even when I find it, it was not transferring. Every time we say an error has occurred with this system, an error has occurred with this system. And I was trying to edit my YouTube videos that I made now. Like I filmed loads of videos, and well, my iPhone, it was not even encouraging at all because I was busy in school. I'm like, this is not going to stress me out. I'm not going to let this stress me out. So I just packed them. But now I've just have to resort to like editing with my iPad. I have an iPad, so I've just been editing with my iPad and stuff like that. Nope, that's not cute. All those videos, I've just had to edit them on my iPad, as I've said. That's why I'm back to my camera. That iPhone is a scam. It's just for content that I'm going to edit on it and post on Instagram or like YouTube shorts and stuff like that. But for my vlog, I think I'm actually going to stick to my camera because it doesn't stress me out when I'm transferring files. And yeah, that's it. Basically, that's it. I'm tired of it's a scam. Everything about Apple. They cannot just give you something free. Like, something else that I realized when I set my alarm on my Android. Sorry, this you just have to take this as it is. Rant of a former Android user. When I set my alarm on my Android phone, like you can adjust your alarm volume is not the same as your ringtone volume. It's not the same as your notification volume. Your alarm volume is your alarm volume. Tell me why did I set my alarm volume? And it's the same tone that my notifications will be coming in. It's the same tone because I cannot wake up with soft alarm. It has to be like I like the sound has to be get. But tell me why the same volume. I hate loud ringtones. I don't like my phone to be on silence per se, but my ringtones are usually very low. So tell me why that every day am I going to be going to my settings and changing the alarm volume all the time, like changing my phone volume, ringtone volume all the time? That's not possible. I just have to put my phone on silence. Like, listen, it's a scam. I'm tired. I'm not used to it already. I'm going to get used to it. But for now, accept my complaints. Accept it. The phone is here. I like you, but you're stressing me out. Anyways, why am I here? I digress. Have I even introduced myself? Hi guys, I'm Mariam. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my content, hello, welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, support me. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Today's video I'm going to be talking about my chemical peels. Like, I'm starting it today. Like, as I said, I've been using like if you watched my previous vlog, I think my birthday vlog or the one after it, I talked about getting a chemical peel, and the process was to get some products and start treatment before the actual peel. So I was supposed to use it for like a month before. So I got them 21st of October, yeah. So my appointment for the pill was booked for 21st of November, which is today. So I've been using those treatments. I got like a serum, like it's called an even blend serum, and I also got a glycolic glycolic cleanser, 12% glycolic cleanser. I use this only at night and not even all the night sometimes because it's exfoliating. And it's like a second wash basically. Like I wash my face twice. I use like the other cleanser that I use, that one is my own. I use one simple, like the name is actually simple, you know, the simple brand, so that's what I use. And yeah, so I've been using that. So the reason I'm here, I talk too much, honestly. I cannot go straight to the point. So the reason I'm here, the reason I have this, like, I want this thing to actually focus on my face. And that's thing I've realized with iPhone camera is it doesn't, with my Android, you can stop those like automatic blurring effects and like stuff like that. But with iPhone you can't. Like when I take pictures, it not like it automatically smoothens my face, or maybe it's just me, but I know that I feel like there are more dark spots on my face than my iPhone actually reflects. Do you get what I mean? So that's why I'm using my camera, so that it can focus. This is my face after 4 weeks of treatment with their pre-treatment plan. So the glycolic acid cleanser and the even blend serum. Take the sunscreen out of it. This is what my face is looking like. Can you see this dark spots here? I have some on my chin, and I have at this side, and also my chin area, and my forehead as well. Can you see them? That's why I've come here, so that you can see the before and after. Like, okay, so I paid for two pill treatments, so I'm going to get the first one today, and next one is going to be like 21st of December or something like that, like a month interval, 4 to 6 weeks interval. That's what I was told. So I'm just going to think a month interval, and Black Friday is coming up, so I'm going to buy more treatments. Inshallah, I'm going to buy more treatment because I need like 4 to 6 treatments to totally clear my spots. So during the Black Friday sales, I told you guys that I'm only going to buy more treatment during sales. If you watch my previous vlogs, you understand what I'm saying. So that's it basically. I just quickly want to do this video. My appointment is at 3:30. I'm going to carry you guys along with me. I might not be able to talk because I never talk in public. I'll just show you. I'll ask them for permission if I can film, and I'll make sure not to film on my iPhone because that thing is stressing my life. So I'm going to record it, and yeah, I need to get ready for my driving lessons now.
Gentle cleanser, so it's really good for all skin types. Sorry about that. Especially the more sensitive skins. What else are you currently using on your skin? Because I use the even blend just on. Yes, just on night time. Oh, exactly.
So this is my face before. Obviously I'm in a different clothes. That's because the last time that I saw you, that intro that I made was last week. So I got to my appointment, and apparently there was an error because I had rescheduled my appointment time, so it was not on their record for some reason. So I could not do anything last week, so I had to go this week. And the good thing about it was they gave me a voucher for like microdermal abrasion. I'm going to use that at the end of my treatment. But that's it though. This is my skin. This is my first peel. All that money spent. Although I like the glow, Sha. I like it. On the norms, I will not go out like this. I'll be thinking it's oil, but because I spent money on it, I'm going to accept the glow. I accept that it is glow. It is not oil. It is not shine. It is glow. So this is my face, and I recorded the process. You'd have seen that. But anyways, this is what my skin is like. So today is the first day of the treatment. Obviously, I have one more to go. I paid for 2 sections. So, but after that, like I don't plan on doing just 2 sections. I'm going to pay for the other, like the third and the fourth when I go for my second section. But for that time that I paid, that was the money that I had, and that was what I paid for. So obviously, this is the first day of the treatment, and this is what my skin is. I don't expect there to be any like obvious or significant difference or anything like that. If anything, it would be like the product I've been using before today. But as the week goes by, I expect that I'll start to see results and stuff like that. And my next, well, maybe not, is a pill. My next appointment is mid-December, so by then you'd have seen, at least I believe there should have been, by then I believe there should have been a difference. Maybe it's just me, maybe not, maybe. But anyways, I'll show you like the updated version of my skin at that time. But this is what it looks like. Have I showed this before? Let's do a 360. Another thing that is worth mentioning with this pill is it's a chemical pill, yeah, but it's not those ones that you get like shedding, like proper shedding. Because I've been on TikTok and I've been seeing those videos where people are peeling like they're snakes or something. Nah, I have places to be, I have classes to go to. Even though it's the end of the semester, I don't really have much classes like that. But still, I'm not going to be indoors all every day. I have to be out, I have to go to work and stuff. So I don't want my skin to be shedding. So this one is not the shedding type because I specifically asked. And this one is not the shedding type. It's basically like, she said I'm going to get like, you know, those crustiness, like just like you see, like, not, I won't say scaling because it's not like, basically like crustiness, like crusty white stuff, but it's not like shedding. Do you get? I don't want the shedding. So that's that one. I don't really have anything much to say. I just wanted to show you my face like 3 days after. This is like 8:30 in the morning. I'm rushing to class, but if I don't do this video, I'm not going to do it. I was supposed to do it yesterday. So today is now Wednesday. I had my treatment on Monday. So this is what my face looks like. No peeling, nothing. It's just like there's like a bit of dryness. And that's even when I finish washing my face in the morning, like not only morning, like anytime I wash my face, there's that bit of dryness. So I've just been using like moisturizing product and stuff. I've not really been using any active like that because they actually told me to stay away from actives, and especially the product that I got from them said I should stop for a couple of days. So I'm probably going to start tomorrow or the day after, but nothing. It's just I feel like my dark spots are faded, not necessarily from the treatment, but from like the pre-treatment I've been doing. Do you get what I mean? So this is this is, what day is it today? Today's Thursday, so that will be the day 4 update. Yeah, I did day 3 yesterday. Day 4 update. I'm in a hurry, I have to be in class, so I'm just going to quickly come on here and show you my face. So last night, and you know, I mentioned that my face has kind of been feeling dry, so I've just been using like only moisturizing. I've not been using any active, just moisturizing products and just moisturizing products. Why am I out of breath so early in the morning? Just moisturizing products, yeah. And last night when I was doing my skincare, I noticed like some peeling around, not peeling, like white crustiness as expected, because you can't even see it on camera. I'm supposed to zoom in to show you, but I'm not going to zoom in because I've not shaved my mustache, so I'm not going to zoom in. I'm just going to explain to you by words. So I noticed some around here and my nose area. My camera is about to go off, so yeah, that's it. No much difference. I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever there's a new update. Bye. And you should subscribe as well so you don't miss any updates, because I'm going to be updating. I'm going to carry you along with me every treatment. So subscribe so you don't miss an update, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.